Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best bottle rockets is probably one of the most iconic and exhilarating fireworks available, offering a classic aerial display that brings a sense of nostalgia and excitement to any celebration. With their distinctive whistling sound and rapid ascent, these small but mighty rockets are a staple for a reason, delivering a burst of color and energy that captivates audiences of all ages and transforms ordinary gatherings into unforgettable spectacles, making them a must-have for any fireworks enthusiasts looking to add a touch of traditional pyrotechnic magic to their event. Number 5. Magical Flames Fire Color Packets, 12-pack. Tired of ordinary fires? Our product instantly transforms your fire pit into a mesmerizing display of vibrant, dancing flames. It's the perfect way to captivate everyone around your campfire or fireplace. Using it is incredibly simple. Just toss 1 to 3 unopened packets directly into your wood-burning fire and watch the magic happen in seconds. There's no need for any special preparation or cleanup. Enjoy up to an hour of brilliant, colorful flames with each use. If you want to extend the enchanting display, simply add another packet to keep the magic going. Designed for all your wood fires, whether indoors or outdoors. It's perfect for campfires, backyard fire pits, bonfires, and fireplaces, adding excitement safely and easily. Both kids and adults will be amazed by the mesmerizing color effects. Bring this along on your next adventure or gathering to make every fire moment truly unforgettable. What we like. Experience enchanting fire with these packets. They create vibrant, dancing flames that captivate everyone. If you're looking for a simple way to add a magical touch to your campfires or backyard gatherings, these are perfect for you. What people say. The bottle rockets were a huge hit, providing a fantastic visual display with their vibrant colors and impressive height. Each rocket launched smoothly and consistently, creating a dazzling spectacle that lasted for a good duration. The design allowed for easy handling and setup, making the experience enjoyable for everyone involved. Number 4. Magical Flames Fire Color Packets, 12-pack. Tired of dull fires? Instantly elevate your fire pit from ordinary to extraordinary with our magical packets. Just toss them in and watch vibrant, dancing flames come to life. Using them couldn't be simpler. No need for any preparation or cleanup. Just throw 1 to 3 unopened packets directly into your wood-burning fire and witness the magic unfold in seconds. Enjoy a spectacular display of vivid, colorful flames for up to an hour. If you want to extend the enchantment, simply add another packet to keep the brilliant show going. These are perfect for any wood fire, whether it's a cozy fireplace, a backyard fire pit, or a roaring bonfire. They add excitement safely and easily to any occasion. Both children and adults will be mesmerized by the stunning color effects. Make your next camping trip or backyard gathering truly unforgettable with these amazing fire packets. What we like. This is an intermediate model rocket kit for ages 10 and up. It offers a chance to build and blast off a high-flying rocket. If you are looking for an engaging educational activity for kids or a fun science experiment, this is a great choice. What people say. The bottle rockets shot straight up and exploded with a loud bang. These bottle rockets provided a great visual display with vibrant colors. The duration of each bottle rocket's effect was impressive, lasting for several seconds. Number 3. Estes 1754 Wizard Rocket Building Kits Bulk Pack. Get ready for an exciting adventure with this bulk pack of intermediate model rocket kits. Perfect for ages 10 and up, these kits let you build and launch your very own high-flying wizard rocket. Imagine launching a rocket up to 1,600 feet. This model is designed for impressive flights, making it ideal for science studies or friendly competitions. It's compatible with various engines for customizable performance. These kits are ready to assemble and make a fantastic educational gift. With about an hour of building time per rocket, you can easily add custom decals and prepare for an unforgettable launch experience. We prioritize safety for maximum fun. Always follow the National Association of Rocketry Safety Code, ensure a safe launch site, and maintain a safe distance during countdown and launch. Estes Education is dedicated to supporting educators with engaging STEM products. Our resources make implementing science and rocketry in classrooms and youth programs simple and effective. Each kit includes essential model parts, decals, and instructions. Please note that rocket engines, a launch pad, starters, recovery wadding, and batteries are sold separately to complete your launch setup. What we like. Transform your fire pit with these magical packets. They create vibrant, dancing flames that captivate everyone around. If you want to add excitement to family nights or outdoor parties with minimal effort, these are ideal. What people say. The bottle rockets shot up high and burst with a satisfying crackle. Each rocket produced a vibrant red and green color burst that was visible from a distance. The rockets were easy to light and provided a consistent flight path. Number 2. Magical Flames Fire Color Packets. Tired of ordinary fires? Watch as a few of these packets turn your fire pit into a mesmerizing display of vibrant, dancing flames that will captivate everyone. Using them couldn't be simpler. Just toss 1 to 3 unopened packets directly into your wood-burning fire and witness the magic unfold in seconds. No mess, no fuss. Enjoy up to an hour of brilliant, colorful flames. If you want to extend the show, simply add another packet to keep the vibrant display going. These are perfect for any wood fire, whether it's a cozy indoor fireplace, a backyard fire pit, or a roaring bonfire. They add excitement safely and easily. Kids and adults will be enchanted by the magical color effects. Make your next camping trip or backyard gathering truly unforgettable with these amazing packets. What we like. Instantly elevate your fire pit experience with these color packets. They produce vibrant, dancing flames that mesmerize onlookers. If you are planning a camping trip or a backyard bonfire and want a fun, safe, and easy way to add excitement, consider these. What people say. The bottle rockets shot up high and had a great effect. These bottle rockets were very bright and colorful, making for a spectacular display. The duration of each bottle rocket was impressive, providing a good amount of entertainment. Number 1. Death of a player. We gather today to honor a life lived fully. Their journey was one of passion, dedication, and unforgettable moments. Though they may no longer be with us, their spirit and the memories they created will endure. The game they loved will carry on. Their influence extended far beyond the arena. They inspired many and left an indelible mark on everyone they met. We bid a final farewell to a true champion. Their absence will be deeply felt by all who knew them. May they rest in peace, knowing their legacy will live on. Their story is one that will be told for generations. What we like. This product offers a unique and intriguing experience. Its name alone sparks curiosity and invites creative interpretation. If you're looking for a product that can be a conversation starter or a focal point for imaginative storytelling, this might be the one for you. What people say. The bottle rockets were a huge hit, with bright colors and loud bangs that delighted the crowd. Each rocket produced a satisfying crackle and a vibrant burst of color, making for an impressive display. The rockets flew straight and true, consistently reaching a good height before exploding in a shower of sparks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.